Focusing on gender neutrality in all its branches, the Indian Navy will recruit women sailors through the newly unveiled Agnipath recruitment scheme, and these new recruits will be posted on board warships upon completion of training. While all the three services, Army, Air Force and Navy, have had women officers, this will be the first time that positions of personnel below officers' rank will be open to women. We are still formulating the exact number of women sailors to be recruited through the Agnipath scheme. Vice Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi, Chief of Personnel, said in a tri-service press conference at the Ministry of Defence on Sunday, adding that the training of the first batch of Agniveers will begin in November this year. Indian Navy has 30 women officers at present sailing on different Indian Navy ships. We have decided that under the Agnipath scheme, we will recruit women also. They will be deployed on warships, he added.